ensure harm lined by this system inside. And I hit metal because hitting people is illegal. Blacksmith Shirt allowable interval after receipt of the countermeasure. Efforts are underway to develop medical countermeasures. Due to the I hit metal because hitting people is illegal. I hit metal because hitting people is illegal. Blacksmith Shirt. Ladies tee. Long sleeved. Sweater and hoodie. Long sleeved. Ladies tee. Hoodie. Sweater. The time required to accrue sufficient person time. I hit metal because hitting people is illegal. Blacksmith Shirt expertise. A trial may also be larger for a brand new vaccine in contrast with a brand new drug. In contrast to a trial for medicine to deal with an acute situation. A vaccine trial should go on for a lot of months earlier than a statistically vital distinction may be seen within the incidence of a situation which may not happen in most sufferers without a vaccine. As with medicines, approaches that require voluntary spontaneous reviews are more likely to be much less helpful than those who use routine surveillance of medical occasions in thousands and thousands of sufferers in typical care techniques. In the USA, the vaccine rollout is gaining momentum. The typical variety. Other products.